kindergarten books. The Happy Village. Read by the Happy Teacher. You say the Happy Village? How strange. Are you sure? Yes, they always help each other. There's no fighting. They always help each other. There's no fighting. Can you believe it? No, I can't believe it. Go capture one of them. Let's make sure. Yes. Can I help you? Is this the Happy Village? Yes. We found it. Come with us. Why? The king is calling. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Stop! Let's have a meeting. Okay, we'll wait. Who will go? I will go. 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 Let me go. All hail to the king. Ha ha ha. It is true. This is a happy village. You're right, my king. Now I can believe. Ha ha ha. Let's give them a big prize. Yes, my king. Hooray!